Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make dotted line word. You are going to access your Word file. Here, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and then select the desired line. Press the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the line to the desired position so that it is aligned correctly. After that, from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Outline and in Weight assign the desired line width. When you complete it, again from the Shape Outline click on Dashes, and there you can click on one of the dotted line options. The change is immediate. From this same menu Dashes you can choose any of the available options to have these dotted line styles in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.